Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. By AI of Isesaki FM. The total number of whooping cough patients in Gunma Prefecture has reached 39, already exceeding the number for the whole of last year. Infections are particularly prevalent among teenagers, with many confirmed cases in Maebashi City and Takasaki City. In addition, there has been a sharp increase in cases of fifth disease, with the number of patients per institution exceeding the standard and an alert being issued. Whooping cough is accompanied by severe coughing and can lead to pneumonia. Fifth disease is an infectious disease that causes a red rash and spreads through droplets and contact.